Hi there, I'm Alex from CGIFarm. In this video I'm going to show you what we changed in our latest plugin version, which is 0.8.8. The biggest improvement is for our desktop application, which allows you now to download the frames as they finish in the web dashboard. I'm going to give you a quick overview of this. So we have two tabs right now. It's for upload. Here you're going to see the packages that are sent from the 3ds Max plugin and see their status uploading. And you have the download. Right now I don't have anything selected, and I'm going to show you how to add a few packages for download. This application supports syncing packages automatically that are submitted from 3ds Max, but you can also manually select which packages you want to download from dashboard packages and jobs as well. So you can select the entire package or certain jobs that you want to download. So this is the options page. You have the default download location. You can set this so all the packages will get downloaded in a location. For each package and for each job inside that package, a new folder is going to be created, so you are not going to see a lot of files all together or override them as they download. On the selective jobs option, a new window will open, and here you can see the packages available on your web dashboard. And they are the same packages that you can see if you open the web dashboard for the certain location. So let's see, this one should have some jobs. If the package doesn't have any jobs, you will see this. You can still check it to be added on your download list, and when you create jobs, the jobs will get added automatically and they get downloaded as they render on our farm. So if you have a job that already rendered and you want to get those frames, you can select that or select all of them, and when you click update, after a few seconds the list gets updated, the download list gets updated, and the download should start. Alright, clicking on this folder will open the location where you have set where the files have been saved, and you can pause all downloads if you have a lot of downloads that are happening in the same time and you need the internet connection, for example. You can pause all of them and resume it later. For the software action, you have the update. When a new version is available on our website, you will see it here, and you'll be able to update it as well. Upload list cleanup. This will clean up the jobs, the packages that already uploaded, and you might have a big list here. So when you click upload list cleanup, it will delete all of those from the list. It won't delete them from the dashboard, so it's just for cleaning up the list. Download list cleanup. This is going to update the download list with the dashboard. For example, if you delete a job in the dashboard and you still have it on the download list, it will delete it from here. The files won't get deleted from disk. It's just the list that gets updated. So another thing that we worked during this update is to get a new location, which is our priority location. We have the ability to expand very quickly there. We have machines with the 64 cores and up to 240 gigabytes of RAM there. Right now we have 240 of those, but we can expand very quickly if we have the right demand for that. So changing the location will change the API where the application will connect. So when you click selective job downloads, you are going to see the priority location. You also see it in the title bar that these packages are on our priority location. You can go back and forth with this, selecting which jobs you want to sync. They all get into the same list. So let's see this. All right. When you go to the download list, you see the blue is for our base location, the green is for the priority location. You can also stop it per job and resume it as well. So that's about it for the application. I will show you quickly inside 3ds Max what we got updated here. We have a few bugs fixed for the application, for the plugin not discovering scenes that are on a network path. So if your scenes, I know that lots of you uses storages or network storages, and at the prepare stage, the scenes were not showing in here, so we were not able to customize the package. You will see a blank list here. So right now this is fixed as well, and you can add multiple scenes and other assets that your scene might be used. The sync output, this is per package as well, so this is going to set the default download location for the package that you're uploading. Again, there will be created folders for all the jobs that got created from that package, and download them automatically. So I'm going to sync the output. It's ready. Here is going to ask you if you want to send it to our base location, and if you want to change it, you click no. You don't have to cancel the operation. You just go to the settings page, changes to priority location, and click upload again. You want, all right. And this way we can also upload the package to both locations. If you want to test the speed of our computers and the cost on each location, you can do so by submitting the package to both locations. You won't be able to render the same package that got uploaded to the base location if you are not re-uploading it to the secondary location. All right, so I'm going to go to the base location for now and click the upload. You can turn this off if you are sure on what you're doing, but for a few days I will let it ask where I want to upload. So the package got uploaded, and you have this icon here that allows you to hide it or actually delete it from the list. I say hide it because it's not deleting from the dashboard. So that package got submitted for processing, and inside our dashboard you will see the same base location and priority location settings. So you have it in 3 places. I wanted to have just one option, but I could not get around that, because this allows for more flexibility on checking out on jobs and stuff, and not having to go into one place to change it, and it was very difficult anyway. So for packages, the package is going into processing, and the rest is in the other videos on creating jobs. It's the same thing. For base location, you can create a package, and selecting the priority location is going to upload the package to priority. Base location going to upload to base location. Same thing for the jobs. And yeah, I think that should be it for this video. I hope this is something useful for you, because we've been working on this for a couple of weeks now, and I've been putting a lot of work into this, me and my team. And yeah, let me know if you have any issues. Test it, put it to a big test, like downloading lots of scenes, and You can also download old jobs that you also created, even if you have the files, and if you are on a strong connection, just put it through a test and let me know if it holds, because we've been testing a lot in the last couple of days, fixed a lot of issues, and I think now it's ready for the people to use it. In closing, I will let you know about a few issues that we have. So the first thing will be if you're closing the CGIFarm sync when 3ds Max is open. If you try to open the application again, so if you're exiting, actually not just closing it, so CGIFarm. All right, actually this time worked, but sometimes it was not firing up. So if you get this happening, you need to close 3ds Max and launch the application again. It's good that it works. The programmer said that he could not reproduce this, but it was quite annoying for me because it was not starting. Another thing, it's in 3ds Max 2018, the menu won't show here. They changed some stuff in their user interface. They're using a different way to create the menus. We're trying to fix it, but it's quite difficult because we're not using the Max script solution for creating the menus. But I'll show you a quick way to get around that problem. For now, it should be fixed in the next version, but for now I'll show you how to scripting Max Listener, how to find out how to fire that up in 3ds Max 2018. The plugin gets installed properly, it works properly. I tested it, uploading jobs and collecting assets. It's just not appearing here. So when you click on in 2016 or 2017, if you click render with CGIFarm, you're going to get this here. So to get this line, you need to have the macro recorder enabled, and this will give you this line that you can then run inside your console here. So let me close this, and if I hit the num enter, it's firing up the application. So that's about it on the known issues. If you have other problems, let me know at the email address info@cgifarm.com. You can get in touch with me on Skype with the ID CGIFarm. And yeah, I wish you the best and have a great day.